If you want to track buses in real time using Google Maps, the feature is available in certain cities where transit authorities provide live GPS data. This allows you to see estimated bus arrival times, delays, and in some cases real-time movement along a route. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and search for your destination. Once it loads, click Directions and enter your starting point. This prepares the route planner so you can view available transit options. Next, switch to transit mode by selecting the train or bus icon. Google Maps will now show public transportation routes instead of driving directions. When transit data is available in your area, you will see bus routes along with estimated arrival times. These times are usually updated dynamically based on live GPS tracking from the bus system. Click on a specific route that includes a bus. You will see step-by-step directions, including which bus number to take, where to board, and where to get off. In some supported cities, you can also click on a bus stop marker. This may show real-time information such as the next arriving buses, expected arrival minutes, and whether a bus is delayed. However, it is important to note that real-time bus tracking is not available everywhere. It depends entirely on whether the local transport authority shares live GPS data with Google Maps. In areas where live tracking is not supported, Google Maps will only show scheduled times instead of real-time movement. These are based on published transit timetables rather than live updates. If real-time tracking is available, you may also see buses updating on the map as they move along their routes. This gives you a better idea of whether your bus is arriving early, on time, or delayed. This feature is especially useful for commuting, as it helps you decide when to leave, whether to wait at a stop, or if you should take an alternative route. And that's how you see real-time bus tracking in Google Maps. Switch to transit mode, check bus routes, and view live arrival information when supported in your area.